Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you some of the ideas I've been dealing with trend reporting inside of ProfitMagnifier. So I thought I'd do something a little different and put together a little video for you. The way it would work is inside of ProfitMagnifier you go to measure sales and you'd bring down the trends menu. So you click on that, and what it would do is it would bring you to something very similar to profit mining. With profit mining, we have predefined queries, so we have different things in here that we could build. You would click on a predefined query, and then it would populate the different components over here. Now, for instance, with time periods, what we can do is you can select all the time periods, or you could select just the ones that you want. I can only select one in the prototype here that I've got. With the trend, here are the different trends that are available to you. You have classification, service, product, officer, region, or branch. So if we select a trend, what it does is that it grays out all the other trend choices. In this case, it would gray out everything but the service. So it would allow the user to only pick the service. And in here we can pick all the services, all loans, all deposits. You can pick multiple services. I'll just pick mortgage right here. Again, these other things are all grayed out except for the profit fields. With the profit fields, you can select as many as you want. You might want to select number of accounts, balance, average balance, profit, average profit, something along those lines. I'll just select one of these again. You can save the query, delete the query, you can generate a report. So say if we were to generate the report, it comes over here, and then with the Telerik controls, what we have is in this case, the service. We have the different time periods here, as many as we want. The change, which is the difference between the latest time period and the first time period. In this case, because we picked service and we picked mortgage and retail checking within the service, we can get the number of accounts, balance, profit, average profit, and the like. So we have all the different values in here, and then the change for each of those values for each of these different time periods. Now you may have noticed that in the trends there's no drop downs for account holders or for accounts. And that's because it would be very painful for the user to have to write down the account holder number or write down the account number and then enter it in. It's just a lot of work for the user. So the workaround is inside of profit pricing, we would have a little trends hyperlink button here. You would click on the hyperlink. What you would see is a description which has the account holder number, the name of the account holder, and then the account number, the product, and then the balance and profit of that account number. A space, and then the same thing again, just for all of the different account numbers that they have, and then finally on the bottom, the total and the balance and the profit. What we'd also see is just the last 4 quarters. I think that's all that anybody really wants to see. And the other thing that I think that people just want to see is the balance and the profit for each of those quarters. And again, the change from the latest date to the earliest date. So there you have trends inside of ProfitMagnifier.